What cryptocurrency rose to the top 10 on the Solana chain in terms of liquidity in the last week? It is the Bcoq token. And yes, I am late to make this video here on YouTube, but we knew about this before the rally started, and I'll show you how. So have a look at the table behind me. This is indexscreener.com, and it shows the top tokens on the Solana chain ordered by liquidity. And Coq Inu is at number 8, and we can see how strong the meme coin game on Solana is. Tokens with the most liquidity are all memes: Dog with Hat, Bonk, Myro, Smog, Popcat, Ponky, and now we've got Bcoq Inu. Now have a look at this vertical line over here. This is when we got the notification to buy Bcoq. And yes, I am trying to make this video as serious as possible. And as we can see from the logo over here, we are of course just talking about the animal. So on the 7th of March at 8 o'clock, since then to the peak, we went up by 3,700% roughly. And from the signal to today, we are up more than 2,000%. Now let me show you what I mean. In Premium, we are following various wallets. So we've got an alert channel that looks at wallets of influencers and of successful traders. And on the 7th of March, we got our first notification. We got a lot of notifications on that day. Here are the details of that very first notifications. We got 46 comments on that notification alone. 8 o'clock is the time. And of course, I added my 2 cents to this as well. Get some Bcoq, guys and girls. The market cap at the time was 360K. Now it's at 19 million. And I followed up with a comment very quickly as well, 10 minutes after the alert. Looks like a valid signal. I'm not available right now to get in, but this might very well be a profitable trade. So yes, I'm showing off all of this, but as life goes, of course, I didn't make the trade. But yeah, this was my message. Never thought I'd study investment management and financial analysis to tell people at some point to buy Bcoq tokens. A strange world we live in. And there we go. We had the community buying in. So why am I showing you all of this? I'm showing you this because in order to get these multiple X returns, we can't just randomly gamble. We can't just randomly pick tokens. We have to follow the smart money. There are a lot of promising approaches to crypto. You can simply hunt for airdrops. You can do back tests and figure out some statistics. But you can also simply just turn off your brain, buy Bcoq tokens because smart money did. Now you probably clicked on this video because you want to know where the Bcoq will now go. And so let me show you a bit of on-chain data that I believe is relevant here. What you're seeing over here is an hourly breakdown of new traders versus recurring traders for Bcoq. So in any cryptocurrency, especially in meme coins, you want to see the number of investors growing. You want to see a lot of new first-time traders. And at the beginning, this was extremely positive. This is when we got most returns. We then saw on the 9th of March, around 3 to 6 a.m., a lot of recurring traders selling off. Since that flip, the trend hasn't really changed that much. There was a bit of buying again around lunchtime of that day, but still, now it's the recurring traders that dominate Bcoq. And so that's why we see since the 9th of March how the price isn't doing so well anymore. Will this turn around again? Potentially. But since the on-chain liquidity is already very high in the grand scheme of things, I think for a real rally to happen here, we need to see a lot of listings on centralized exchanges. The centralized exchanges have to get on board here. It needs to get easier to buy the token, and then we could see another leg up. I believe a listing will come, but the type of demand that will bring us to new heights is not the same type of demand that we have seen on chain. I will keep a very close eye on the new versus recurring trader chart, and if there is a change, I will of course update you here on YouTube. So if you don't want to miss that, feel free to subscribe. I publish videos regularly. A like would be very much appreciated as well. If you're actively trading and you've got a crypto portfolio of at least 5,000 US dollars, those kind of signals might be useful to you. And so more information can be found at thebitcoinstrategy.com. Link is down below.